Developing a new culture was the goal at Cookshack Inc. After more than 50 years in Ponca City and contemplating a move into a larger facility in 2016, Cookshack's management team realized they were spending too much time and money on hiring and training and still not getting or keeping engaged and productive employees. So the cultural fit movement began, with updating job description, standards of work, and assessing each job candidate for personality and talent profile to find employees who would be a great fit for the job. Those traits are listed on each of the job descriptions, and finding the right person is more important than hiring quickly for a job opening. Moving into a larger facility in spring of 2017, owner Stuart Powell and his management team had a new way of hiring, through personality testing and interviews focused on right fit. This makes work easier. Turnover rate went from over 100% to less than 20%. The production level has gone up, as has the happiness quotient. Office staff work more closely with the manufacturing crew to improve communication, which improves Cookshack's ability to provide quality products to their customers while engaging employees and maintaining positivity and high morale among all sectors of the company. Cookshack continues to find success with employee engagement in Ponca City.